Alright, if you are on this YouTube, you're looking for information about why your healthy snake plant doesn't look like it's grown at all over the last year. This is going to be super quick. It's pretty simple, and a lot of people don't know what's causing it, but this will explain it. So just to cover some things, the snake plant is healthy, you're watering it, you're fertilizing it, there's no bugs, there's no pests, but you've noticed that your snake plant hasn't really grown anything new in months or at all, and you just don't know what's going on. It's really simple. Snake plants like to be pot bound. They don't like a lot of space to grow. So what's causing it not to grow, and I'm not sure why this happens, but if a snake plant is in a pot with a lot of space, it won't grow, or it'll grow really, really slow. If you put your snake plant in a tiny little pot like this, that's really pot bound, where almost the roots are coming out, looks like it's about to explode, it'll grow really fast. So that's the reason that your snake plant isn't growing. If you've noticed that it's just not growing at all, transfer it to a small pot, as small as possible, and then just keep watering it as normal and give it light, and you'll notice that this will start growing much faster than if it's in a big pot. And just as a tip, you don't need to repot your snake plant very often, only when it's literally burst through the seams of your pot. You want it to be as tight as possible, and it'll grow really fast. And that's probably the reason why your snake plant doesn't look like it's growing at all. It just needs to be in a smaller pot.